What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new geeks tutorial here in rakmedia.com. In today's video we'll be reviewing the new Huawei GR5 2017 or Honor 6X. Welcome back. So as we have unboxed this amazing phone on our last unboxing video, you can check it back. In today we're gonna be having a short review of this budget smartphone. The phone is 5.5 inches and comes with full HD. Also it comes with a dual camera, and the main one is 12 megapixel with 3 gigabytes of RAM and 3300 milliampere battery. What is really great is the touch of this phone, which looks like the iPhone 6. As you can see here, the edges are round and very sleek design, make you feel like you are having the iPhone 6 in your hands. The screen, as we said, comes with 5.5 inches. It is a 2.5D curved glass and a metallic design, which is made of metal, which make it strong enough to absorb the shocks. At the top here we have the 3.5mm jack and the active noise cancelling with the dedicated microphone. Also it comes with a vibration MP3 and WAV ringtones. On the side we have the volume buttons and the power button.
www.rakmedia.com.
At the bottom here we have the speaker, the microphone and the power jack, which is a mini USB. From the left we have the SIM card and the memory card slot. You need to use the given pin in order to get it out. So as you can see here, there are space for a nano SIM. The phone also comes with a LED flash, a fingerprint sensor, which is one of the most powerful and performing fingerprints available. As you all know, Huawei is good at making fingerprint sensors. What characterizes this phone, as we said, is the dual camera, which is the dual camera. The primary one is 12 megapixel and the secondary one is 2 megapixel in order to have a face detection autofocus. So this will enable you to get great photos. Really a good feature with this reduced price. So normally this feature is available only on the Mate editions, which are pretty expensive, but here you can enjoy this feature with this budget smartphone. Let's remove the plastic to reveal the phone from the back. As you can see there, it's really beautiful with a very sleek design. Nothing to say. Great design, robust as it is made from metal, and gives you a good touch and a feeling of using the iPhone. At the front here, if we remove the cover, and that's it. Let's turn on the phone. Just keep on holding the power button. That's it. So it has launched. Let's wait for it to switch on. and then come back. First boot, it may take a period of time as it is the first time to boot, so you need to wait until it finishes. We need to go through the first settings and the setup of the phone. First of all, you need to select your language, so let's take English, your region, select the region you are in. Next, here you can connect to a Wi-Fi network, you can skip it, continue if you don't have a SIM card yet. Here are the terms and conditions of using the phone. You can turn on or uncheck participate in the consumer experience. Also here, this enhanced internet experience, deny, and enroll in the fingerprint. Before getting your fingerprint, you need to set the password for your fingerprint that would be used in case you are unable to connect with your fingerprint. Done. Let's set up a new fingerprint. This may take a short period of time. As we said, Huawei fingerprint sensors are pretty good. That's it, that's finished. Let's click on OK, and configuration successful. Now the phone will switch on. It's the home, in which you have some widgets. Okay. Wow, really great phone with a bright screen and very sleek design. So let's have an idea about the features. It's the notification settings, really a cool design, which is the customized Android for Huawei, call it the MUI. This is version 4, I think. The phone comes with Android 6 Marshmallow and can be updated or upgradable to 7.0 or Nougat Android OS, in which we'll show you in our coming video how to upgrade this phone and get the new features of the new OS. If we head on to settings, okay, here you can configure or customize all the settings of your phone. Here it offers a long list of features and customizations, so you can go through them one by one, but here we need the section of about phone to have an idea about this phone. The phone is model is BLL21 and it features 6.0 Marshmallow with the MUI version 4.1 and a current CPU 655 and a RAM of 3 GB. The resolution is also 1080 by 1920, which is a full HD resolution. Let's check the Android version. So as we said, it is Marshmallow. Go back. Let's have an idea about certain settings of smart assistants. Here you can get help from the phone in order to do things automatically. Let's get out and head on to the SIM management. Here we have the DL card management. Also the sounds. You can here adjust the volume, the media volume, alarms, etc. select your ringtone. You must allow the phone to get into your SIM card in order to use the ringtones in your SIM card, etc. Just select the ones you like. Let's go back. Here we have another cool feature, which is the do not disturb in order to block users. Also you have a cloud service which you can store your files in the cloud, etc. Let's exit. Check another feature, the tools. So the phone comes with very cool tools: flashlights, FM radio, calendar, notepad. These are default applications. Here another cool feature, which is the themes. No need to download themes from other resources. You can just get them right from your phone, as it is offered by the Huawei download center. Here it features different cool themes, all of them for free. Let's head into camera. Okay, you need to enable services and enable your phone to access the storage. Okay, so as you can see, this is the camera. You can zoom in and zoom out, and the picture still with good quality and high pixels. Here it features a long list of features, whether full HD, less quality. Next, the different feature: timer, mute, shutter, assistive grid, etc. So we'll go through all these features in our video, in our camera performance video of this device. If we list some of the features, so you can take pro photos, beauty photos, switch on to video, and also it has pro video in which we can adjust the brightness, the shutter, etc. Also we have a beauty video or selfie videos, the HDR night shot, which will increase the light and take photos in darkness, panorama photos. Also we have good food photos and light printing time-lapse to increase the speed of the video, and also we have the slow motion feature, which will decrease the speed of the photo or the video. We have watermark, audio note, you can take notes along with your pictures, and a scanner at the end. Okay, so these are almost everything that you need in a phone. Second tab will have here live effects, nostalgia, original, film, etc. Let's select this one. So as you can see, the colors has changed, and also the filter too. It gives you another cool filter to be used for your photos. So as we said, the filters are live, so before you take the photos, you can check if it goes with your likes. Okay, take this one. Okay, great filters. The other tab will feature one of the best characteristics of this phone, which, as we said, it has dual cameras. These dual cameras are used especially for this feature, which is called the tilt feature. So after taking your shot, you can adjust which part you want to highlight or focus on, and blurring the other parts. And this is one of the cool features, as you can see here on this photo, which is taken with this feature. Next we also have the flash to put it on and off. Just tap on it. So you can also check our camera review of this phone on the coming video to have full idea about this cool features.
www.rackmedia.com.
That's it. So this is our review for this budget smartphone, which have very cool features and great characteristics and high performance. We'll continue dealing with this phone on next video to get the performance and camera features. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now. See you next video.